So these are two given polynomials which we are going to add. I wrote both the polynomials within the bracket. It is not required in case of addition. But when you subtracting one polynomial from other polynomial, it is important to write your second polynomial which you subtracting from the first within the bracket. Because when you subtract, so you will take minus sign between two polynomials, and when you open the bracket, all the signs in second bracket will change. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus, because the sign outside this bracket, this one, this sign is going to multiply with each and every term of second polynomial. If it is plus, it will not make any change to the original sign of the second polynomial, but if it is minus, then it is going to change all this in second polynomial. So therefore, I am going to open the bracket. X cube minus 2x square minus 9 plus 5x cube plus 2x plus 9. Since we adding these two polynomials, as I told, addition will done among like terms. Like terms means the terms which has same variable as well same power. So you can see this x cube and 5x cube, these two terms having same variable, that is x, and their powers are also same, their power is 3. So positive 1x cube and positive 5x cube will give you 6x cube. Then we don't have like term similar to this 2x square, so we will not do anything with this. You will write it as 2x square. Then we have 2x, and even we don't have any other like term like this 2x, so we will not do anything with this. We will write 2x. Then we have negative 9 and positive 9. So same number with different sign will become 0, and this is your final answer. So when you add these two polynomials, your sum would be 6x cube minus 2x square plus 2x. Let us take another example. Second question. This is your second question. So we can take this question on the canvas. Same procedure we can follow to solve this question. First, we need to write this question in proper order, because since we copied this question from a PDF, so powers are not appearing on the proper places. So this can be written as negative 7m raised to 4. It is like this, plus 5m cube plus 2. This is one polynomial which we need to add with other polynomial, and the second polynomial is 5m raised to 4 minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. So these are two given polynomials which we need to add, but I think there is some difference. Here we have root 2 also. So in first this one, this is root 2, and root sign is not there in our original question. So let us place this root 2 also. in the question, this root 2, so this is root 2. So here it is root 2. Now these are two polynomials. Let me check this question with the textbook. 2x. Okay, fine. It's perfect now. Now, same way, we can open the bracket minus 7m raised to 4 plus 5m cube plus root 2 plus 5m raised to 4 minus 3m cube plus 2m square plus 3m minus 6. We need to identify the like terms. Look, this 7m raised to 4, 5m raised to 4. These two are like terms. One is positive, one is negative. We know plus and minus. So we supposed to follow minus with sign of greater number. So 7 is greater, which is negative. So I'll subtract 5 from 7 and I'll take minus sign because 7 is greater number, which is negative also. So here we can take minus. When you subtract 5 from 7, you will get 2m raised to 4. Now next is 5m cube minus 3m cube. Again, take sign of greater number. 5 is greater, so I'll take positive. 3 subtract from 5, so you will get 2m cube. Then next is 2m square, and we don't have any other like term similar to 2m square. So we will not do anything with this term. You will write 2m square here. Then we have 3m. Again, this is 3m. This 3m is single term. We don't have any other similar to this term. So here I'll take plus 3m. Then we have plus root 2 minus root 6. There is no root on the 6, so minus 6. And this is your final answer. This is your question number 3. Subtract the second polynomial from the first. This is your second polynomial and this is your first polynomial. I'll write these two polynomials in proper way, and since we're going to subtract second polynomial from the first, so what I'll do, I'll write my first polynomial, then I'll take minus sign, then I'll take my second polynomial. So you can write it as x square minus 9x plus root 3. This is root 3 actually in our original question, but in copy paste it is not appear properly. Look at this. This is root 3, and even this one is also root 3. So remember that in original question it is root 3, not simple 3, minus my second polynomial. Question says subtract second polynomial from the first. So we are subtracting second polynomial. That's why I am writing second polynomial after first polynomial. So my second polynomial is 19x plus root 3. This is also root 3 in original question, plus 7x square. Now we can open the bracket x square minus 9x plus root 3. There will be no change in first bracket. because before first bracket there is no sign, so we used to consider 1. So when you open, we used to consider plus sign. So when you open the bracket, there will be no change in your first bracket, but here we have minus sign. So this minus going to multiply with all the terms of second bracket. So this minus and plus 19 will give you minus 19x. This is positive root 3 will become negative root 3, and this positive 7x square will become negative 7x square. So this is important to remember. You all will remember that whenever you have minus sign before the bracket, and when you open the bracket, all the sign within the bracket will change. So as you can see, in second bracket, all the sign are changed. Now, next to find out like terms. So this x square, 7x square are like terms. So plus minus minus, I'll take sign of greater number. 7 is greater, this is greater, which is negative. So I'll take minus. So when you subtract 1x square from 7x square, you will get 6x square. Then this 19, 9 and 19, x, both are like terms. So minus minus plus, but we will take sign of greater number since 19 is greater, which is negative. So I'll take now a minus sign. 19 plus 9, 28 at x, and then we have positive root 3, negative root 3 will become 0. So this is your final answer. When you subtract second polynomial from the first polynomial in the given question, you will get minus 6x square minus 28x. Hope it is clear to everybody. Let us take one more example so that you will understand this subtraction method well. This is my second question, where we have two variables together in one particular term. So here, this is our question. Same way, first we will write these two polynomials in proper way. We have two polynomials from here to here. It is your first polynomial, and this is your second polynomial. So this can be written as, in first bracket you can write your first polynomial, that is 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab. This is your first polynomial. We need to subtract second from first. So I'll take minus sign here, and then I'll take my second polynomial. My second polynomial is 3ab minus 8ab square plus 2a square b. This is my second polynomial. After writing both the polynomials with minus sign between them, because we subtracting, we will open the bracket. And when we open the bracket, don't forget to change all the sign in second bracket, because there is minus sign before the bracket. So when you open the bracket, all positive terms will become negative and all negative terms will become positive. Like this, 2a square, 2ab square plus 3a square b minus 4ab. This is my first polynomial. Then I'll take minus 3ab. This negative will become positive 8ab square, and this positive 2a square b will become negative 2a square b, like this. So as you can see, in second bracket, all the terms which were positive become negative and which were negative become positive. Next, to find out like terms to perform your addition and subtraction. So here you can see this is a 2ab square. So we have 8ab square. So these two are like terms. Both are positive. So 8 plus 2 will give me 10 ab square. Then 3a square b, 2a square b. They are like terms. One is positive, one is negative. So we will do subtraction, but we will take sign of greater number, and greater number is 3. So I'll take plus 3 minus 2, that is 1 times of a square and b will left. And then next we have 3ab, 4ab. These two are like terms. Both are negative, so we will add them by taking minus sign. So 4 plus 3 will give me 7ab, and this is my final answer. So when you add those two polynomials given in question number 2, you will get, when you subtract second polynomial from the first polynomial given in question number 2, you will get 10ab square plus a square b minus 7ab. So this way you can add or subtract the polynomials. Hope it is clear to everybody how to add and subtract. Important things to remember, always look for the like terms. Addition and subtraction can be performed between only like terms. As far as like terms are concerned, the terms which have same variable as well as same power are called like terms. So hope you will remember that. And when you subtracting one polynomial from the other, remember to write both the polynomials within the bracket and take minus sign in between them. And when you open the bracket, don't forget to change all the sign of second bracket, because there is minus sign out of the bracket. So these are some important things which you need to remember when you perform addition and subtraction of polynomials. Hope. Thank you so much.